This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix CitiBank app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue on your CitiBank application. So for the first solution, just go to your Google Play Store and then from here, just search for the CitiBank application. And then from here, guys, just tap on the app and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. So when the Citibank mobile have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device and then over here tap on the apps. And then from here you will see all of the installed application on your device. And all you have to do, just find the Citibank and tap on it. And then from here, go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And now guys, if the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do now is uninstall Citibank mobile on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and then from here install it again. And then from there, you should have a working Citibank mobile application and you should be able to use this app without any having issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!